A hood that will not open or close properly is more than an inconvenience, it is a safety concern. This direct replacement hood latch assembly is designed to match the fit, function, and performance of the original equipment latch, helping restore smooth and secure hood operation you can depend on every day. Built with durability in mind, this latch features a corrosion-resistant housing that helps protect internal components from moisture, dirt, and long-term wear. By reducing the risk of rust and functional deterioration, it delivers consistent performance even under harsh driving and weather conditions. This makes it a dependable solution for vehicles experiencing sticking, misalignment, or unreliable hood engagement. Installation is straightforward and stress-free. The latch is engineered as a true direct replacement, requiring no special tools or modifications. This allows most vehicle owners or technicians to complete the replacement quickly and get the hood operating correctly again without unnecessary downtime. Every unit is quality tested through vehicle fitment and material inspections to ensure proper alignment, secure locking action, and reliable service life. This attention to detail results in a part that feels solid, operates smoothly, and delivers OEM-like confidence once installed. Many users note the clear difference in build quality compared to lower-grade alternatives, especially when long-term durability matters. To ensure the best possible fit, always confirm compatibility by entering your vehicle's make, model, and trim level in the Amazon garage before purchasing. If you are dealing with a hood latch that no longer inspires confidence, this replacement assembly offers a smart, cost-effective way to restore safety and proper function. Check the link in the video description to view current availability and details, and subscribe to the channel for more trusted automotive replacement solutions and maintenance tips.